Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let's me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Al Hafiz. I'm from Liberty class, and I am TC student TC 163. Okay, talk about TC program. I want to give you information about in TC program we have many agenda or many activity or many duties from TC program. So one of the agenda is about business project or business presentation. So today or now I want to tell you story about business presentation, and I want to tell you about how to prepare about business presentation. So if you want to do a business presentation, so this video is very important for you how to prepare about business presentation. Okay, before I want to tell you about what is business presentation. So business presentation is uses public speaking and visual materials to communicate important to a group of professionals such as CEO workers, supervisor, manager, and also investor. But usually in thesis student, we explain about our product to investor or and also audience how to make them interested about us, about our product or about our service. So, in our project, we have two major business DNS. We can pick like a product or service. If talk about product, maybe product like something like Energen, Bang Bang, like the about service like Gojek, hotel, maybe like that. So we can choose we want to explain about our product or about our service, so up to us. So in business project we will present a business plan with a team. So what's the name, not just by myself or ourselves, but we have a team like in one team consider like consisting like CEO, marketing manager, sales manager, and operational manager. In commons one teams like any 3 or 4 people. So the next I want to tell you about, maybe you can confuse what is CEO, what is marketing manager, and what is sales manager. So CEO, a chief executive officer. So if we talk about CEO is chief executive officer. So the highest ranking person in a company institution. And the second is talk about marketing manager. So manager of promoting product or service, so including like market research and advertising. So and sales manager, a business planner especially for the action of selling something. Okay, the next I want to tell you about, maybe you will confuse, but if I were CEO, if I to be a CEO, what will I do? So if you to be a CEO, the first you can explain about your company or about your business. So you can explain about what is your business and why did you establish this company. So many people actually we have reason why we establish our company, and like vision and mission. So vision about the goals, and mission how to achieve this vision, like that. So and also if we presentation, CEO also introduce our team. So like introduce our team like marketing manager, sales manager, or operational manager. And also in CEO you can offer to your business partners and also how much profit will you sell to your business partner. Uh, and then, so how about sales managers? What will I do if I to be sales manager? So sales manager is how you're selling your product. So how do you sell your product or your service? And how do you distribute your product or service? And also you can talk about your sales targets, so your sales target, and you must bring the data of total product or service you will sell or have sold, and you can explain about how much will you sell your product or service. And how about marketing manager? Okay, so how marketing manager, you can talk about how do you promote your product, and you can explain about who is your target market, and you can talk about strategy, what platform will you use to introduce your product, like today we have many like offline or online, so what event will you create in the future, like that. So like the example, oh, the next year I want to make this event because why, you can explain like that. So about partnership, like who can help you promote your product, maybe you can choose like brand ambassador, and you can explain about what the reason you choose this brand ambassador, and what is he ability or is she ability, like that. Yeah, many people choose the brand ambassador because they are famous, like that. And okay, the next I want to tell you about presentation techniques. So this is one crucial thing you must know if you want to make a business presentation. So usually in thesis student, we explain or about business presentation just for people just 12 minutes. Depends how many people in your group. So and the one important, if you want to make a business presentation, many property you must prefer, like brochure, slides, proposal business, and sample like this. I mean like you must bring your product if you explain about product, like this. Okay, the next I want to tell you about proposal business. So if we talk about proposal business, this is one of crucial thing, one of important you must make. This is, I think, in my experience, I spend a lot of time to make proposal business. So what's proposal business? How to make a proposal business? So in proposal business we can like many things we must put in proposal business. So in my experience, like we put our executive team, like who is your CEO, who is your market strategy, marketing, who is your sellers, and we can put about history of our company. So just the common history, like maybe just one paragraphs, maybe like that. You explain about why did you establish your company in your proposal business, and you also put about vision and mission. What is your company, what is uh, your company vision, and what is mission is how to achieve your vision, like that. And about history about your product, maybe like example, if you uh, your product is Bang Bang or Milo or Energen, so you can explain in your proposal business about history, just a little story of Energen, why you made this product. Like example like Energen, because why Energen, like today many people like busy person, like they don't have much time to make breakfast. So Energen, we made Energen to help them to breakfast, because why, breakfast is very important. So today many people busy person don't have much time to breakfast. So if Energen to help them, because Energen is simple thing. You just use warm water and you can drink the Energen, like make you hungry. This is one of such Energens, many what's the name, vitamin, like that. And then you put about your certification about your company, certification, and also awards. Because why, this is makes your audience or your investor interested. Oh, this is our certificate, this is our awards, this is very important for you to put your certification, your company, or awards your company in your proposal business. And also SWOT analysis. This is one of thing you must put in your proposal business. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT is like strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats. So you explain about what is your product, strengths, and the weakness, and opportunity, and the threats. And then about products and price, you can put your product and also the price. This is makes audience know about your product and how much the price. This is an about marketing myths, how you promote your product, how you make people interested about your product. This is about marketing mix. And also you can explain in your proposal business is target market. Who is your target market? Like, so maybe our target market, like from the child until the old man or the old woman, or all of age, the student or teacher. You can explain as your product. And then you can put how to sell your product. So you can explain how to sell your product, maybe like offline or online. You can explain in your business proposal. And also in your proposal business, you put like events online and offline. And you can explain like events last year, or what's the next event you will make. You can put in your proposal business, like the example, event online like this, in event offline like this, and you explain more about that, and what the next event, why do you make these events like that, for what, and how much the audience you can invite. And then in proposal business, we also put about ambassador. Who is your ambassador, and who is your next ambassador? And you can explain why you choose this person to be your ambassador. Like example, maybe you can choose like Agnes Monica, maybe, because why, because Agnes Monica is very famous in Indonesia, and also Agnes Monica now has a go international. So this very important. If we put someone famous and he like promote our product, many people will know about our product. And also maybe can go international, because Agnes Mo go international. Because, and also in my experience, I put Dr. Fanny as our ambassador, because why, we need someone to tell or to explain about important healthy breakfast. Because now many people don't understand about that, just don't care about. It's up, if I didn't breakfast, yeah, it's okay, like that. So we put Dr. Penny as our brand ambassador to tell about the importance of breakfast, like that. And about distribution like when the flash like in Indonesia, maybe from the Sabang until Merauke, or distribution not just in Indonesia or another country like Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, or the other country. So you can explain about distribution your product or your service. And about sales profit, maybe if you don't understand about sales profit, you can like how many review like your target in the next year about profit, how much profit you want to get in the next future, like that. And then about competitive analysis. Okay, many people don't understand about competitive analysis. Competitive analysis like you compare your product with another product what the same category. The example like Energen, the Energen is cereal, so we compare about cereal from the same product, like cereal like maybe go well, so we cannot compare our product with different product. Like the example, maybe if I put the Energen and I compare with like buah pita, maybe like this is different because buah pita this just drink like that, so we must compare with the same product, like that. And about profit sharing, so profit sharing you can put what, how many ROI, and also like CHR, company responsibilities. And you can then the last you can put the explain why choose your product. You can more explain about your product, why you must choose our product, like the example like my product before is Energen, so why choose Energen, like that. Okay. And not also if you want to make a business presentation, not also you must make proposal business what, but also the what's the name, banner and also brochure. So maybe you understand about what is banner and your brochure. And if you business project, if tomorrow you will do business presentation, don't forget your bring uh, investor agreement. This is very important for you. Okay, the next I want to tell you about how to presentation. This is one of crucial thing. Like it's useless if you have a good proposal business, if you have a good slides, if you have a good banner, if you have a good brochure, if you have a good product, but you cannot explain about your product. The example when you perform business presentation, like you will be nervous, I think. So I will give you like I will give you suggestion, or I will explain to you how to presentation, how to make our not be nervous. So the first important, if you want to do business presentation, is you must understand about your product, about your company. So you must understand all of them, like history about your company, vision and mission, history, certification, awards, SWOT analysis, product and price, marketing mix, target, how to sell your product, events online and offline, ambassador, distribution, sales profit, competitive analysis, profit, and also profit sharing. So the one important say like for CEO. So CEO must understand all of them. So maybe many people think, yes, I'm CEO, so I just study about my job. I'm marketing, but I just study about my job like this. So no, you must study all of them. So if the investor of the audience asks you, you can answer the question. So not just your understand about your job, about what will you explain, like the example CEO will explain about history of our company, vision and mission, or history about product. No, you not just study about that, but you must study all of them, about the marketing, about the sales target like that, and also marketing and sales must understand all of them. And the second, uh, the important, you must confidence. So what I mean confident, so if you do presentation in front of audience or in front of investor, you must confident. If you not confident, I think like when I were investor, if I to be investor and you explain not confident, yeah, I will not interested about you, about your company, about your product. So I don't want to invest to your company. So one of crucial thing is must confident. How you explain? Don't read the slides. So you must memorize and you must understand. No, many people like if they do what is it, business presentation, many people just memorize, not understand. Like I said before, why we must understand. If you just memorize in front of you presentation, maybe sometime you will get like nervous and you will be forget. So this is dangerous if you forget how to explain your company, how to explain business presentation because you just memorize. So if you understand and you forget, you can explain by yourself. So in my experience, I never memorize if I want to do presentation or speak in front of people, not just business presentation. So all of events like speaking, maybe I'm not memorized. Because why? Because the first thing I just understand about what will I explain. The main point is we just understand. This is very easy for us to share to explain. So you must confident, like don't monoton. I mean like if you explain something, you must use your gesture, your what's the name, your face, like, and you can explain fluently and must your intonation, you must care about that. Because why this is very important for audience interested with you and the investor interested with you. So if the investor asks you something and you will answer the question, yes, you must confident about your answer. Whatever you answer wrong or not is okay, but the main point is you must confidence, because uh, the main point if you want to do presentation, yeah, like I said before, you must confident. Because why, I will give you example. If you want to do business presentation, you must confident about your company, about your product. So in my experience, I put the hikes target this year, and the investor asked me, are you sure about that? Yes, I'm confident. Because why? The main point if you want to do business, you must confident about your product. You must make the new innovation, make customer interested about your product, and you must like understand about your customer what your customer wants from your product. Just that. So the first is understand, the second is confidence. Okay, the next I will explain you about like the data. If you bring the data like what's the name? Next events, how where's you the location you make the events. You must bring the valid data, don't wrong data. Because why? Because the investor will check your data. For example, maybe you the next event you will make event in GBK, I think. So you must bring the real data. You must research first before you perform business presentation. Okay, so just this I give your how to presentation, how to make a good presentation, how to make the audience and the investor interested with you. And the next I will give you suggestion. If you make the business project, you must like often gather with your friends. You must read, you must diligent. Because why? Because in business project I spend a lot of time to make the business process, to make the slides, make the banner, and also brochure. So you will discuss about your team. The main point, if you often gather with your team, you will like make togetherness with your team. You can like what's them believe each other. You will understand not just you but also your team. So if you gather, maybe you will have who make the business proposal, who look the material. So if you look, maybe I give you the example like this. So in one team, not all our member like understand about this project, about this business. So we know about all of people have a different ability. So like what I mean, like maybe I understand about the material, maybe I don't have ability to make business proposal in we use Canva the application. So like my job, I look the all of material and I give my friend to make this to put this material in business proposal, and my friend put like that. But not just look for, and after your look for your material, you explain with your team. So you explain first with your team about that. So this is like blah 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 like that. You must explain, not just this is the material you put this in business proposal. No, you must make your team understand also about their material. So I believe not all people uh, understand. We have different ability, and sometimes yeah, maybe you people think like you are smart than me, you are diligent than me. Yes, I believe that. But yeah, you must help each other. If you your friend don't have ability in this, you must help them. If you don't have ability about this, you must give your friend to help you to. So must help each other. Okay, so when my experience, if you want to make a business presentation, this is my team always do it like we research about, we watching about the before business presentation, like we are TC163, and we like research, we watching the videos TC162 about the business project, the business presentation, and what the question the investor will give us like that. So we before we presentation, we can like guess the question. Oh, maybe the investor will ask us this question. So before we make the presentation, we prepare about that. So, but not all people, not all the product will have a same question, but this is just prepare with yourself. Okay guys, so the next, if you want to, the conclusion is, if you want to make a business presentation, don't forget about, you must understand about what is business presentation, what is our project, what is CEO job, marketing manager job, sales manager jobs, and official manager jobs. So what does a CEO present, what does a sales manager present, and what does a marketing manager present? You must understand about us, but so you must remember, if you will understand about, oh, CEO will present this, but you must understand all of the material. So like CEO, you must understand about sales manager present and marketing manager present. So not just about your job, but you must understand all of the material in your slide or in your business proposal. And you must understand about the presentation technique. So my suggestion is, you must watching the videos before, like videos 162 or 163 maybe, the next you will make a business presentation, you will learn from that. So the main point, if we learn something, is from the explain, we look the business presentation, so not just listen, oh, this is a business presentation like this, but you must watching the videos, so make you understand. And also, if you want to make a business presentation, you must make proposal business. So proposal business, like I said before, you explain about your executive, your our executive team and history about our company until uh, profit sharing or competitive analysis, and the last we put wages and gains, like that. And also you must understand about how to presentation, like technique, like I said before, you must understand all of the materials. You must confident if you explain about your product or about your company. This is one of crucial thing. I'm really suggest you about this, understand and confidence. And and also and also what's the name, you must, I forget, you must bring a valid data. And the last, like, you must professional. So if you many people, maybe many team likes not professional when we do a business presentation, like in front of audience or in front of investor, like not serious answer, maybe just laugh. So this is maybe I'm not recommend you, because if you do business presentation, you must serious. You must think about, oh, this is the serious activity. This is the serious what the name, how to make uh, investor interested about our team. Don't like, don't much kidding, maybe like many team like not serious, like the answer is not serious, the answer is not confident. So I suggest you to be a serious person, serious presentation. So, and the last, don't forget to bring investor agreement. So if your investor agree to invest your company, you must make the investor agreement. Your investor will sign in your paper. So that's all for me. So in the future, for who want to make a business presentation, don't forget to often gather with your team. You must help each other. If your friend not understand, you can explain. If your friend doesn't have ability about this, you must explain, you must help them. And once again, I suggest you, if you want to make a business presentation, you must understand all of the material, and you must very confident to explain about your company, about your product, how to sell your product, what is even, and you must serious answer if investor give you question. This is a suggestion from me. So that's all for me. I hope you understand what I explained about how to prepare about business presentation. And the last I say, don't forget prepare about yourself. So how to make you not nervous? Will you explain if you will do a presentation in front of audience or in front of investor? So that's all for me. I'm Muhammad Al-Hafiz. I'm TC163. I'm from Liberty class. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand what I explained, and I do apologize because I know I have many mistakes from my video. I do apologize because I know my grammar is very so bad, but I believe I still need process to improve my skill. So the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.